Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. So I threw on some makeup because I just got my hair braided, so you're feeling real cute. You know, after you get braids, it gives you a quick little facelift. So I was like, I'm gonna jump on this opportunity, throw on some makeup and film a video because I got an order in the mail I'm excited about. Lately I feel like I've been seeing a lot of people talk about perfume and scent lately. So I was like, I want a new favorite perfume because I've still been rocking like that Juicy, you guys know that Juicy perfume. I was like, I want a new scent, and then I didn't know what to go with, and I see all these different options. So I ordered like one of those sampler sets from Sephora, and I thought to myself, could be a weird type of video to do. What if I did a video where I like tested the scents, like I spray it and smell it for the first time, you guys see my live reaction? I don't know if you guys would be interested. I guess we'll find out after I upload it. But yeah, you know, I thought it'd be interesting to see my initial reaction to some of these scents, and you know, maybe hearing me describe them might let you know if it's one that you want to pick up. And I'm hoping that by the end I will have at least a new favorite scent out of the ones that I'm trying out. So if you guys want to see how this goes, then let's go. So I have here the Sephora Favorites Deluxe Perfume Sampler. Sample your way to a full size at no extra cost. That's what let me turn it around. That's what I thought was pretty cool about this. So it has 8 different scents. It's gonna be a struggle of a video, and this retailed for $75. It said it has a $147 value, and what I thought was cool is that you can, you know, try 8 different perfumes, and then there's a voucher inside that you can take in store, and you can exchange the voucher for a full size of one of these scents. That sounds like a bargain to me. So I'm just gonna jump in and start smelling them. Okay, so there's a scent booklet. The first one is Clementine, California. The inspiration / fragrance, perfume of characters born from nature. The notes, Clementine, star anise. Okay, scent family is fresh. That doesn't really tell me much about it, but okay. Oh, it's a spray thingy. How are we done? Let's see. Yeah, that is a fresh scent. It's giving very cologne. It's giving me very well, I said fresh of nothing. It's giving me very, remember back in the day when people still used magazines and they would have the little samplers in there and you would unfold the little half and smell it, and somehow a lot of them end up smelling the same way. This is how that smells. It's giving me, like I said, fresh of nothing, fresh of after a few minutes. Like, what am I smelling? I'm not sold on it. I feel like I should say, before I get into the other 7, that I was thinking the other day, like, does scent have like a maturity level? Like, you know, as you age at a certain point, do you start feeling like this is too this for me or that's too that for me? Because I was talking to someone and I was like, you know, I feel like back in the day I liked more of like the fruity, you know, think very like Victoria's Secret, Claire's type of thing. And now that, you know, turn around, I'll be 30 in no time, I'm like, do I really want to walk around smelling like bananas? I mean, I feel like depending on the scent, I wouldn't be hating on it, but I'm giving this some time, and it's a little too, like I said, it's a little too cologne for me. It's a little too much of, or too little of, or too much of nothing. So the next one is Burberry. Let's see what it says here. The embodiment of the Londoner attitude. How do you give a place? Actually, no, because I was gonna say, how do you give a place a scent, but New York City definitely has a scent. So I can understand that. Adventurous, spirited, bold, vibrant, fruity. Okay, so I was just saying, I don't know how I feel about fruity. Red and dark berries meet a floral heart signed with a jasmine over an addictive and sensual musk amber base. Dark berries, jasmine, musk amber. Scent family is floral. Okay. I'm assuming this isn't a spray. Yeah, I'm gonna have to dot some of this. Ooh, okay. Oh, too much. It smells like wine to me. Maybe that's telling me I have an issue with drinking it. The first thing I think of is wine, but it smells like, you know, a berry type of wine. I know I just said that I kind of wanted to move away from that type of fruity scent, but okay, it's fruity but mature fruity. So especially since the first thing I thought of was wine, so it's not going to give you like that fruity type of scent. Like think the lip glosses, like the beauty supply lip glosses that are, you know, like $1. They smell like strawberry, they smell like berries, maybe it even has a taste to it if you lick your lips. It's not that type of fruity, you know, a little bit more mature. Think if you're drinking wine, think stuff like that. I'm not mad at if I had to walk around smelling like this. Next up is Chloe. I've heard a lot of good things about this one, so I'm intrigued. Creative, confident individuality of the Chloe woman. It is a fresh and feminine fragrance suited to a free spirit with an utterly innate sense of chic. The notes are rose, cedarwood, honey, and the scent family is floral. I see now with floral, it can give you grandma's house floral, or, oh, how do I open this? Or, you know, like a New York Fashion Week floral. I feel like I smell it without even pouring any out of the bottle. Ooh. Oh, that is grown. That is grown. It's chic. Like I said, it's Fashion Week. Okay, Chloe, listen. I'm trying to think of something better than telling you it smells like Fashion Week. It smells like laundry. Think of like after you put scents into your laundry and then you do it and you get it out and it's all dry and stuff. Like that's what it's giving me. Imagine spritzing a little perfume in your laundry, which, you know, don't do that. But that's ooh. Okay, she's first for now, but we're only like 3 deep. So this is Clean Reserve. Inspired by dawn's radiance as the warmth begins to caress the skin, the fragrance glows with vivid citrus. Solar bouquet blooms at the heart, adding a vibrancy to the earthy tones of charcoal and sensual coconut water. Nothing in that description intrigued me like whatsoever. If anything, especially if you follow me on Twitter, it was just throwing out a whole bunch of words that I usually like stay away from in any type of way, especially coconut. But the notes are orange blossom, coconut water, and the scent family again is floral. Now, I was skeptical when it came to Chloe, but we saw how that went, so let's give it a shot. Let's see. Oh, is this a roller ball? Oh, it's a roller ball, okay. No. Nah, It's giving me Spice Closet with like a dash of nothing. I know it's like a very simple scent. It's funny, the person who was like the fruity scent is very childish. They said they like those clean type of scents, and it's like, I get it, but no, it's a little too simple for me. And then, you know, like a dash of parsley. Nah. Next up is Dolce & Gabbana. Let's just give them a second here because these are actually like decent sized samples, and you get like 8 for $75. You can cash it in. I'm just saying. Delicious flower blossoming in a garden where simple pleasures and spontaneity set the beat for a joyful afternoon dance. The notes are again coconut essence, ylang ylang. Let's just assume that's what it is. The scent family again is floral, goes with the design of the bottle, and oh, okay. Oh, okay, now she's running down. That's nice. It smells very garden. Like imagine you're walking through a garden, flowers blossoming. That's what this smells like. It's okay. Like some the clean one, I was just like, no. Again, it's like it's spicy, but and the first one where it's just kind of like but this one it's okay. Like I wouldn't mind smelling like this, but I'm looking for one that's like really going to do something. This, you know, there could be 50 people on the street who smell like they're walking through a garden. You want that scent that's going to stand out when you walk by. I don't feel like this one's that. But she's cute though. Oh, this is a Giorgio perfume. Okay. This Giorgio Armani perfume for women is a singular blend of serenity and exhilaration, opening up with the clean, fresh perfume of citrus. A heart of intoxicating jasmine fragrance lingers with a scent of warm cedarwood. So the notes are jasmine, gardenia, and warm woods, and the scent family is fresh. Again, I feel like we see where I'm feeling on the whole fresh scent, but it did mention like citrus, so we'll see. Ooh, I already got some on my hands. I am not mad at it. Definitely has a citrus smell to it. Maybe I am childish. I like it. I would say out of the ones I've tried so far, it's definitely the most fruity, you know, citrus smell, even a little bit more than the Burberry one. And even though I like this one, I'm not sure I would cash in the voucher for this one, because that Chloe one made me feel like I smell grown. That's how that Chloe one made me smell. Like this one, I feel like it could be an everyday type of scent, but more of like a, you know, like you don't break this out for those occasions where it's like, you know, you gonna smell me. You know how everyone started getting that Rihanna perfume after someone said Rihanna smells great, and everyone's like, what scent does she use to smell that way? Like, that's what we're going for here. This, I feel like this I could throw on to run to Walmart or something like that, all right? I want that scent that I break out and I'm like, y'all gonna smell me in the room before you see me, okay? There's only 2 scents left. I feel like I keep sounding like I'm saying scents, like change, but you guys know what I'm trying to say here. This is Nest, New York. Sun-Kissed Hibiscus was inspired by one of my favorite times of day, magic hour. Magic hour is an expression used to describe the time of day when the sky boasts beautiful shades of bright orange, yellow, and purple just before sunset begins. The magical glow was both welcoming and comforting. Okay, the notes are orange blossom, golden amber, and the scent family is floral. So let's see, what do you smell like? Okay. No, okay. Ooh. If I have perfume on my nose right now, it's because I literally put my nose to my arm and I still don't smell anything. I don't smell. Even the other ones that were like lackluster, you smelled something, and I couldn't give you a hint of what I was smelling right now. Like, moving right along. And the last one I have here is Taga Florence, yes, the writing's very small. Let's see, like her modern classic fragrance. Florence is quintessentially French. A sophisticated green garden floral. Gardenia. Florence makes us fall in love with Paris, the city of love again. Notes, gardenia, iris. Scent family is floral. Okay, and this is the last one. So fingers crossed. I have hopes for you. Can I just smell the bottle? I feel like it doesn't count. Oh! I feel like it doesn't count unless you actually like put it on yourself, so. It is very floral. It's very close, like borderline. If it was just a little bit heavier, it would be like grandma's house type of floral. But this is a nice type and a strong type of floral. But somehow it's also giving me like bubblegum smell, and I think that might be why I like it, because it's a strong floral but not so much to where you open grandma's purse and it hits you like grandma's been spraying this thing since, you know, middle school days. So it's strong but not that strong, but I think the little underlying little scent of bubblegum is intriguing to me. And ooh, okay, she's strong. I would say it's like stronger than the Chloe one. I'm like, I said I want you to feel me when I walk into the room. I'll be back with my decision. I'm gonna go with the Chloe. I'm gonna take the voucher in store and exchange it for a full size of the Chloe one. I was going back and forth between the two for a minute, but I'm going with this one because even though like this is still like a strong scent, it's not that strong. I feel like the other one, like I said, could quickly become overbearing, especially if you're someone who be spraying when you spray perfume on. And I feel like the other one, might be a little too strong for me, and not even strong and as in how strong the scent is, because also keep that in mind, there are some people who they have to consider how like physically strong a perfume is because it can give them migraines and stuff like that. But like the presence is strong for that one. Like that's the one you put on when you've got a presidential debate at like 8 o'clock and you're running to be the first woman president of the United States. Like that's what you would put that one on for. Like that's the type of strong presence that one gives. This one, you know, she's still strong, but she's like strong and I'm just trying to go to brunch type of thing. You know, I'm just like, yeah, you won't feel me when I walk in with this one, but it's not that strong as that one. So I'm gonna go ahead and exchange it for this one. Out of the 8 that I tried, I like this one. I like Taka. I hope that's how you say this one. And then the Dolce Gabbana one. So this one, I'm gonna get the full size of this one. I like this one. I can see myself getting the full size of this one someday, but if I'm gonna get one of these full size for free for buying this set, it's not gonna be this one. And then this one, she's like that okay type of perfume. I feel like if you bought this full size and you're anything like me, you might regret it. Full size, you know, like if you had been looking for a scent on Sephora's website without smelling any of them and then just ordered the full size of this one and got it, you'd be a little disappointed. But you know, having it and having the deluxe sample size, I feel like it'd be like a nice little everyday perfume. Again, you know, throw it on, or running to Walmart, running to the post office. I don't know where else you'd be running to at this time right now, but you know, quick little throw it on, run around type of perfume. And other than that, like, actually no, I like the Giorgio Armani one. This one and the Dolce one are the two, you know, like just throw these on and run around type of scents. And these two are the power scents. Okay, this one, I'll let you guys know if at some point I end up smelling anything out of this. The Burberry one, I feel like if you do believe in the whole like this is a mature scent, this is an immature scent, I feel like a lot of people would feel like this is a little immature scent because it is very fruity and stuff like that. And there's nothing wrong with having that preference in the way that you smell. But if you are someone who, again, you're not testing a sample and you're buying stuff full size, if you believe in the whole, you know, like that's too juvenile of a scent for me, or this is too that, then you might want to shy away from this one because it does have that like fruity, citrusy, juicy type of smell. The clean one, like I said, no, again, it gives me spice. Like that's literally the first word I think of whenever I pick up or I look at this one. Ooh, almost dropped it. The Clementine one, it was too cologne for me, too, you know, outdoors, woodsy, too, no thank you. So that is it for this video. I hope hearing me give my first impression on how some of these things smell has helped. If any of you are thinking of picking up a sample, full size, if you're someone who just jumps all in, let me know if you've tried any of these and you like them, if you dislike them, how you would describe the smell in the comments down below. And yeah, that is it for this video. Make sure to thumbs up, comment, subscribe, and turn on your notification bells, all of that down below. Thank you all for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.